Hi, it's time for another episode of Bird of the Word. It's Mary Kissel from the Daviess County Audubon Society. Today we're going to start our two-part series on tanagers. We're in the woods and you see a red bird, you automatically think, northern cardinal. But this is the time of the year where we could be seeing scarlet tanagers. Scarlet tanagers are beautiful birds. They're about 7 inches long, deep red, black wings, gray bill. They're a little bit more plump than a northern cardinal. Their wings are darker, and they don't have a crest, a mask, or an orange bill like a northern cardinal does. The females are olive green, and their wings are lighter. When we talk about our camouflage birds, we're usually talking about birds that are light brown. But if you've ever looked up in a tree in May in Kentucky, you realize how effective being an olive green bird can be if you want to hide from other predators. And the first year juveniles look similar to the females. And by fall, the males will have lost their scarlet feathers and will also be olive green, but their wings remain black. But the spring, yes, it's a great time to be scarlet. Normally, a scarlet tanager would be up singing at the very tippy top of a tree. But in courtship, he'll drop down below a female, display his tail feathers, droop a black wing, just so she can just see how great that scarlet color looks. They also have a wonderful song. It's considered 5 harsh blurring notes. I always hear a scarlet tanager before I see it. I'll hear a song and go, it sounds like a tanager, and I'll be looking at the top of the tree and get a little bit of flash of red. So these are good songs to hear in the woods. Here we go. Tanagers eat fruits and insects. Smaller larvae they can swallow whole. Ugh. Larger prey they will take and smash against the limb in order to kill it. Because the male scarlet tanager is so striking, it's really too dangerous for him to be involved in nest building because he's just such a target. So the female is in charge of building the nest, but they just do a very bad job of it. They'll just take some twigs, some grasses, plant stalks, rootlets, just kind of pat it down, kind of sit on it and kind of squash it down a little bit, and then do it a few times over 3 or 4 days, and call it a nest. Look how messy that is. But they also build 50 to 75 feet off the ground. That's they can go that high, which takes a lot of predators out of play. Now, 2 weeks after they leave the nest, the young are on their own until it's time to migrate. For your at-home challenge, I challenge you to think about, if you built a nest, where would you like to build a nest? Would you like to build it near a creek or a lake, or way, way, way up high, or down in the ground where nobody can find it? But think about it and write a few sentences about where you'd like to build your nest. And feel free to draw a picture of your nest and all of its surroundings. Join us next time when we talk about summer tanagers on Bird the Word. Thank you.